So, topic for tonight. Hello mga kababayan. Nagpapatuloy ako ng aking anak right here. Kwentuhan tayo while doing so. So, ang masasabi ko sa inyo mga kababayan, kung kayo ay made it in life or naging well off, I would say mga kababayan, it's much better to keep it to yourself. What I mean by that, keep it as secret. Na, who knows, maybe milyonaryo na kayo. It's much better maging secret millionaire na lang kayo kasi not everything should be shared. This is what I learned mga kababayan, na kapag ang buhay mo ay umuunlad and everyone around you is stagnant, they start resenting your success. Ang dati mong kaibigan nagiging enemy na. Yung kamag-anak mo, they start hating you kasi they will perceive your wealth as something that you should share to them, to everyone. Kung hindi mo siya i-share, they gonna look at it as, you are being madamot. Even though wala sila when you were doing the sacrifice, the grind. Pero they wanna be there for the benefits. So, I'm not saying na huwag kang tumulong, but it's much better if tumulong ka because you want to, not because you are obligated to. It's mas magaan sa loob to help kung galing sa loob mo yung pagtulong kaysa tumulong ka because of obligation. Yun lang. So, this is Taong Bahay and have a good night mga kababayan. Thank you for listening.